Understanding loop interruption in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, loop interruption. This phrase might sound technical, but it's quite simple and incredibly useful in both everyday and professional English. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it effectively. First, let's break down the phrase, loop interruption. A loop, in English, often refers to a sequence or a process that repeats itself. It can be something literal, like a loop in a rope, or something more abstract, like a routine in our daily life. An interruption is an act of stopping or breaking the continuity of something. So, when we combine these words, loop interruption refers to the action of breaking or stopping a repetitive cycle or process. Now, let's look at some examples of how loop interruption might be used in everyday language. Imagine you have a habit of checking your phone every few minutes. If you decide to turn off your phone to focus on work, you're creating a loop interruption in your usual routine. Or, consider a weekly meeting at work that follows the same format each time. If one week you change the meeting structure to make it more interactive, you've introduced a loop interruption to the usual process. In professional settings, loop interruption can be a powerful concept. It's often used in contexts like project management, team leadership, and process optimization. For instance, if a project team is stuck in an ineffective pattern, a project manager might introduce a new strategy or tool to interrupt the loop and improve efficiency. This intentional loop interruption can lead to innovative solutions and better results. Using loop interruption effectively involves recognizing patterns and being willing to initiate change. Here are some tips. Be observant. Notice repetitive patterns in your life or work. Evaluate. Ask if the current loop is productive or if it needs an interruption for improvement. Act decisively. Once you identify an unproductive loop, take steps to interrupt and improve it. And there you have it. Loop interruption is all about breaking out of repetitive cycles to bring about positive change. It's a useful phrase and concept in both personal and professional contexts. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and applying the idea of loop interruption in your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.